Hello formulators, it's Tasha of Tasha Monet's Formulations. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm making a moisturizing hair balm. Each of the ingredients in this 100-gram batch will seal in moisture to help hydrate and soften the hair. With that being said, let's get into the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button, and if you want to see more of my content, please subscribe and turn on your notifications. See you in the comments soon.